Students, today I'm going to teach you how to solve these maths problems. We would use area and perimeter at some point in our life. For example, if you're making a garden, you need to find the perimeter and area of the space so you can get all the right amount of soil and rocks, etc. Another example is if you're painting a field, a wall, or fence. You need to know how much paint you need to buy, and paint is normally expensive. If you do a trade, you will definitely need to know your area and perimeter. So let's get into this first problem. Today we're going to try to find the circumference of this circle, which is the outside or the perimeter of the circle. So what we need to do first is we need to find the formula for a semicircle, which is, so C equals half. We do half because just imagine there's another circle going here, and that's half of a full circle. So half times 2 times pi times r. Then we go down here and go half times 2 times pi times, we don't do r because r stands for radius, and 4, this one, is a radius. So 4. But then we do plus 8. Let's put these in brackets for a second. We do plus 8 because say we have another half of a circle here. We have 4 on this side and 4 on this side. And 4 plus 4 is 8. So just imagine there's another half of the circle, and we do 4 on this side for the radius, 4 on that side for the radius. So if you put this into your calculator, you should get a sum of 20.57 meters. That is how you get the circumference of a circle with a radius of 4. Thank you. Hello again. I'm glad that you made it to my second maths problem. And this time we're going to find the area of this triangle. So what we need to do first is we need to find the formula for this triangle. So we need to do A for area equals half. We do half because a triangle is a half of a parallelogram. Once we do that, we do times breadth, and the breadth is going to be from here to here. Do breadth times height, and the height is going to be from here to here. So we go down and we go half times B, which is going to be 13.5. So 13.5, and then times the height is 6. Once you do that, you need to put this into your calculator, and it should equal 40.5 meters squared. Make sure you do squared because we're finding the area. This area, this example, could be used, say, in a paddock of a field. We need to find the area of this field to know where to put fences and how much room we can have. Thanks. Welcome back to the third problem solving for tonight. Okay, so we're going to figure out the area of this house shape. Okay, so what we need to do first is find a formula for the house shape. There is no formula for a house shape. So what we need to do is we need to make a line or cut it in half somehow. So let's try here, where we can do a formula for a triangle and for a rectangle. Let's start with a triangle. So we'll do area 1 equals we go half, we do half because remember a triangle is half of a parallelogram. And we do times breadth times height. So we need to go down here, half times, and the breadth is going to be from here to here, which will be 7. And the height for the triangle, starting from here to here, is going to be 6 times 6. That should equal 21 meters squared. Remember the squared because we're finding the area. Let's go into area 2. Area 2 equals. Okay, so now we're going to forget about the triangle and focus on the rectangle. Need to find the formula for a rectangle. The formula for a rectangle is height times breadth. It's pretty easy. So we need to find the height here to here, which is 4. Let's go down here, 4, and we do times the breadth, which is from here to here, which is going to be 7. That equals 28 meters squared. So once we've done that, we add our 21 meters squared from before and plus them together. Okay? And the answer you should get is 49 meters squared. Thank you for watching.